we're going to learn about simple interest word problem and graphing. Let's say we have a problem like this. Mary has $10,000. She wants to save for her college tuition. She invests in the bank with a simple interest rate of 5% each year. How much will be Mary's balance after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years? Graph the solution. So, we know that Mary has $10,000 and she wants to save for college tuition. So she invests it in the bank. So this means that the principal amount, P for principal amount, is equal to $10,000. The principal amount is how much you invest in the bank at first. Now, she invests in the bank with a simple interest rate at 5% each year. So the interest, I for interest, is equal to 5% each year. So let's find out. Now because it is simple interest rate, it means that you add a certain value to that $10,000 each year. For example, we would add $200 or $300 each year. So let's find out how much interest is being added to our $10,000 each year. So 5% of 10,000 is 5 over 100 times $10,000. So these two zeros cancel with these two zeros, and we get 5 times 100, which is $500. So the interest is $500. Let's write that down here. The interest is $500. Now let's find out how much money Mary's balance will be after 5 years. So the total in simple interest, so the formula for simple interest is the total money, T for total, M for money, is equal to the principal amount plus the interest times the number of years. So the total money is equal to the principal plus the interest times the amount of years. So let's find out how much will be Mary's balance after 5 years. So the total money is equal to the principal, which is $10,000, plus the interest, which is 500, times the years, which is 5 years. So this is equal to, so first we multiply 500 and 5. So we get 10,000 plus 500 times 5 is $2,500. So we get 10,000 plus $2,500, which is equal to $12,500. So in 5 years, she saves $12,500. Let's write this answer down here. So in 5 years, she saves $12,500. Now let's find out how much she saves after 10 years, or how much her balance will be after 10 years. So, it is $10,000, $10,000 plus 500 times 10 years. So the principal plus the interest times the years. The principal plus the interest times the years. This is equal to 10,000 plus $5,000, which is equal to $15,000. So, this means that in 10 years, he will save $15,000. Now let's find out how much her balance will be after 15 years. So it's $10,000 plus the interest, which is 500, times the years, which is 15. So this is equal to 10,000 plus 500 times 15. 500 times 15 is $7,500. So we get $17,500. So, after 15 years, her new balance will be $17,500. So after 15 years, her new balance will be $17,500. Now let's solve the next part of the problem. Graph the solution. So, when we graph something, we normally use slope-intercept form. The formula for slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. Let's rewrite this down here. The formula for slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. Where y is the total money, T for total, M for money, M is the interest, I for interest, X is the years, and B is the principal amount. So, Y is the total money, M is the interest, X is the years, and B is the principal amount. So, let's find this equation. So, let's write the equation of this problem. So, the total money is Y is equal to M, which is the interest, which is $500, times X, which is the number of years, plus B, which is the principal amount, which is $10,000. Now let's graph this equation. So, in a slope-intercept form, the M, which is right here, is the slope, and the 10,000 is the y-intercept. So, our first point is the y-intercept, which is $10,000. So it's right here. Let's use black. $10,000. So, after that we have the slope, which is 500, So every year we get $500 more. So in 5 years we get 500 times 5, 500 times 5, which is equal to, 500 times 5 is equal to $2,500. Let's write this again in red. So 500 times 5 is equal to $2,500. So, after 5 years, we get $10,000 plus $2,500, which is right here, $12,500. After 5 more years, we get another $2,500, which is $15,000. After another 5 years, we get $2,500 more, which becomes $17,500, and so on. So the graph for this line will look like this. So the solution, or the line, is this line. Today we learned about simple interest word problem and graphing. Thank you for watching this video.